Good. Nice.
Can I try this one?
Got one. Hi, my name's Johnny Wilson. I teach 6th grade math and the STEM elective here at Jefferson County Middle School. STEM, I think, gives kids a little bit of a taste of a lot of different things in a 9-week period. Being able to provide them a little, bit of science, technology, engineering, and math, and how those things can all work together, kind of reinforce that idea that we can be cross-curricular and learning doesn't really start or stop at different classrooms. It should be like a holistic thing that's always intertwined. I love teaching STEM because we get to get a little more into hands-on sort of things. It's a lot more student-driven.
So you're really able to talk it out and talk with people, learn their opinions. And I guess you really can see like what people think about a certain topic. I think that's my favorite part.
The net diagrams of a cube is just kind of a fun way and a creative way for students to show how they can think a little bit outside of the box. 3D figures can be tough for kids, even though we live in a three-dimensional world, but giving them the ability to do it with their hands, cut it out, fold it, see what it looks like is really beneficial and usually makes things easier for kids.
I would say probably like my favorite part about STEM class is learning the shapes and making the ropes that we're making.
The plastic bag, the Plarn experiment just kind of reinforces some of the things we've been talking about with sustainability and reducing waste, keeping things minimal cost-wise, and just being mindful in general about excess.
I would say I think it's pretty good, and I think it's doing actually really well for the school. So, and a lot of kids are really excited to be in STEM, so I think it's going pretty well for JCMS.
I agree with Sam. I really like that class. Mr. Wilson's pretty cool.
Mm-hmm. I think the wheel is awesome, and it kind of like within STEM class you get a taste of several different things. The wheel gives students a chance to really explore a lot of different things in a short amount of time. Probably gets them thinking about what might interest them in the future going forward.